Yerba Mate. I'm going to show you how easy it is to bring this along with you so you don't have to stop for coffee or tea or your local drive-thru. We got this handy little contraption down here. Made this box. It's just a little bit easier to carry everything that you need. You have your gourd, room temperature water, you have your flask with your 170 degree, and you have extra tea. So this has all been pre-made. Nice little carry handle. They do make different ones, but this is the one that I made for us here. And we can just put this in the back of the truck and we're good to go. You know the water is going to stay hot for quite a while, so it's a perfect little setup. Took me a couple hours to build these, and keeps everything all in one spot. We did it once with just bringing the stuff with us individually, and it's a mess. So you even got on the back side here, got a little slot for a phone holder, and everything's all in one spot. We do use them actually in the backyard as well. It's a nice little convenient way just to kind of keep everything together and keep them separated. So anyways, I'm going to show you what it takes to get this set up to either go on the road or in your backyard, and how easy it is to enjoy it. So stay tuned and we'll get her going here. Alright, first things first, we got to get some room temperature water. So let's go ahead over to the fridge. Get that going. Pull it out of the fridge. It is cold, but I know it's going through a filter, so not really too concerned about that. So, room temperature water is now done. Let's get our shaker set up with some tea. Alright, tea we're using today is Cruz de Malta, one of our favorites. And dusting it is done just by shaking it. That's ready to go. Pour a little bit into our cup. Okay. Check that out. That's enough in the cup. Now we just got to pour a little bit of room temperature water in there on the straw side. Room temperature water allows it to not scald the tea when you put it in. So that's enough in there. And now we just have to get some hot water. Okay, hot water has come to 170. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take that off and we're going to pour that into our container. I do like to add a bit of honey to it. I drink my tea and I enjoy my tea a little bit on the sweeter side. So I put honey in there. It's a better alternative than white sugar. Now we can go ahead and pour the water in there all the way up to the top. We'll go ahead and put that cap on. So now our water is ready. Okay, so there you have it. We have our room temperature water, we have our hot water, 170 water, we have our shaker with our tea, we have our gourd, tea inside with room temperature water put in on the straw side so it doesn't scald it. Now we just need our holder. Let's go ahead and load all that up. Tea goes in, room temperature water goes in. Shaker goes in, hot water goes in. Why do I bring room temperature water? In case we go somewhere and we find the means to get hot water somewhere. Or if you're on a road trip and you bring a little camping stove with you, you can always get water up to 170 pretty easy. So it's a great way to continue to have your Yerba Mate on the go. Pretty simple, and hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.